Information technology, explain, plain, and simplify. I am Donald B., your accidental tech expert, and what we're going to do today is teach you different words and terms when it comes to information technology. Sometimes we have a hard time understanding things, so this is the channel where I break it down like you're in kindergarten. So the first thing we'll start off with, what is DHCP? What is that? What does that mean? Well, first, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Now, how can I break this down so you have a better understanding of how it works? So this is what I can do. Imagine you have a basketball team. And on a basketball team, you assign everyone a number. Everyone has those numbers, so if you run around seeing them, you're going to see who they are. You see Michael Jordan with number 23. You see Kobe Bryant with number 8. Just that simple. They are assigned a number. Same thing for the protocol. The protocol assign numbers to every computer that's on, and that all those computers on that network can understand who's who. It's basically breaking those numbers down. They're all assigned an IP address. The IP address is recognized on that network. That way computers can actually speak to each other. It's just like your friends. You have friends that you want to talk to on the phone. You all have your own special phone numbers. It's the same thing. Everyone is assigned a different number so they can identify who they are. That's what the DHCP does. It assigns numbers to these computers so they can be recognized on the network. That's how you can tell the difference between the two. If anybody want to add on to more about that, go down to the list down below. But I'm trying to break this down like you're actually in kindergarten. So make sure we all have a better understanding of what these words mean. Me going through school, getting my cybersecurity degree, that always struggled with certain things. I had to find a way to break it down easier for me. But continue following me, and make sure you follow me. Make sure you share with other people, because there's a lot of people out here who really need help understanding these terms. Continue following this page, and I promise you, this information technology information is going to go a long way for you. Information technology ain't going nowhere, bro. That's what we call it, IT. We want to call it short. Why do we call it IT? We're just being lazy. What?